Hi friends, I'm your host Mr. Sunshine, and once again I welcome back to you all on my English learning platform English Shines, a place where my dear ones reach higher and better approach in the part of study. So friends, as every Sunday again I came among you all to discuss about the importance of English. So today's topic is it why did English become so important? Because English is one of the most used languages in the world. Even outside of the countries like US and UK, many people can speak and understand English. And if you can include people who speak English, it as a second language, and estimate 1 billion people worldwide speak English. On top of this, 67 countries have English as their official language, and there are 27 countries that have English as their secondary official language. So, throughout these centuries, why we think that the English Empire expanded and ruled over many different countries, including most of one just mentioned and many more. In many cases, British forces the people they rule over speak English, and some of these countries still speak English, even if it isn't their main language. So here are some points that the importance of English. So among them, I'm discussing with you a very few of things, and the first one, English opens new career opportunities. First and foremost, learning English can help you pursue and obtain more career opportunities. These days, the job market is global. Many companies need employees who can communicate with partners and clients all over the world. Very often, that means finding employees who speak English. And no matter what career path you decide to pursue, learning English is a valuable skill. It will help you become better, more sought, often employed. The second point, English test can get into your school. If you learn English well enough to pass tests like TOEFL or some other English examination, you can study in English language universities across the globe. That's great news if you want to move an English speaking region or work in one. A student visa can help you to get you there, or may simply want to take few classes abroad. A successful English test will show college and university that you are ready. English, and the third is English is the top language of the internet. English is the most used language online, with nearly 1 billion people use typing and chatting in these such types of language. If you can understand and read English, you will be able to access and enjoy many more resources online. You can read online news articles, you can leave comments on an English video, you can understand tweets from English speaking celebrities, you can participate in a discuss on a forum. The possibilities are endless. So among these third point, move further fourth, English makes you life more entertaining. Because what, understanding English mean you will get to enjoy modern Hollywood blockbusters or some other generations movies. If you are not sure where to watch English, then you have to go just normal things like Netflix, Amazon and some other things where you will see these such types of English fluency will help you to entertain yourself in the part of English. And the last one, I must say that you all have to try that English is your skill. If you are achieving something in your life, then you have to go through to achieve something, those kind of activities which is actually a part of your vocabulary, which is simple to grasp, and it has developed throughout different languages regarding its evolution, that is explained in the article that is the history of English language. So this is all of today, signing off here. If there will be any query or any other thing, you can mention me on the comment section. Till then, bye everyone.